To clean your speakers in POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. And then when we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can find additional settings and inside a specific feature that allows you to clean your speakers. So click on Clear Speaker. Then what you will need to do is grab your phone, grab it exactly as it is on the photo, so it should look something like that, or maybe even like that. It honestly doesn't matter. And now after you have your phone in your hand in that position, you need to click on Start. After that, a very, very loud sound will play, so be careful with that. I will show you that sound in a moment, and I will even give you a 3-second heads up so you won't get scared, because this sound is very, very loud. And after you click on that sound, you need to shake your phone to basically remove anything that is in your speakers, because that sound will help you with removing that dust inside the speakers. So let's do it. I will count to 3 and then click on Start. This will be very loud, so you can volume down the video. And you need to shake your phone to clear the speaker for 30 seconds. I'm gonna cancel it because this phone is brand new, but that's how you can clear your speakers. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.